Hi friends, welcome to the video series of Mathematics Chapter 1 Arithmetic Progression. In this session, we will learn exercise 1.1. Now, points to be remembered in exercise 1.1. To find CD is equals to A2 minus A1. To find AN is equals to AN minus 1 plus D. Now let us go to exercise 1.1 second main first sum. A is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. Here A1 is equals to 10 and D is equals to 10. Now we should find the first four terms of the AP. When the first term A and the CD are given as follows. Now here we should find the first four terms of the arithmetic progression. A2 is equals to A plus D is equals to 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Now A2 is equals to A plus D is equals to 10 plus 10 is equals to 20. Now A3 is equals to A2 plus D is equals to A2 is equals to 20 plus D is equals to 10 is equals to 30. Now A4 is equals to A3 plus D. A3 is equals to 30 and plus D is equals to 10 is equals to 40. Now we have find that A is equals to 10, A2 is equals to 20, A3 30, A4 40. Now therefore AP is equals to 10, 20, 30, 40 and as follows. Now we should find this sum like this, and now let us go to second sum. Here A is equals to minus 2 and D is equals to 0. If D is equals to 0, the sum will be so easy. Okay, now let us find the next four terms. A2 is equals to 0, A3 is equals to 0, A4 is equals to 0. Now minus 2 and minus 2 is equals to minus 2 is equals to minus 2 is equals to minus 2. 0 minus 2 is equals to minus 2. Therefore AP is equals to minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 comma minus 2 and as follows. This is so easy sum because D is equals to 0, AP will be repeated. Okay, we should keep in mind this sum. Now let us go to third sum. Here A1 is equals to minus 1 and D is equals to 1 by 2. A is equals to minus 1. A2 is equals to minus 1 plus D is equals to minus 1 plus 1 by 2 is equals to minus 2 plus 1 by 2 because minus 1 into 2 is equals to minus 2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus 2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. A3 is equals to A2 plus D is equals to minus 1 by 2. A2 is equals to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Minus into plus, it will be 0. Minus and plus will be scratched. A4 is equals to A3 plus D is equals to 0. 0 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. 0 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Now we should find that AP is equals to minus 1 comma minus 1 by 2 comma 0 comma 1 by 2. Now let us go to fourth sum. This sum is bit complicated. We should be careful. A is equals to minus 1.25. A1 is equals to minus 1.25. A2 is equals to A plus D. A2 is equals to A plus D is equals to A is equals to minus 1.25 plus minus D is equals to minus 0.25 is equals to minus 1.25 minus 1.25 minus 0.25 minus, because plus into minus it will become minus, is equals to minus 0.50 minus 0.50 minus into minus plus. A3 is equals to A2 plus D is equals to minus 1.50 plus minus 0.25 sorry, it's 5 is equals to minus 1 point minus 1.75. A4 is equals to A3 plus D is equals to minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25. We should just add 0.25 to minus 1.75. The sign will be minus because plus into minus minus. The answer is 2.0. Now let us go to third main. For the following APs, write the first term and the CD. CD equals to common difference. Here we should find first term. First term means A1. Here A1 is equals to 3. And we should find D. D is equals to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is equals to 1 and A1 is equals to 3. Therefore A1 minus 3. A1 minus 3 is equals to A1 minus 3 minus sign 2. So the answer is minus 2. D is minus 2. Now let us go to second sum of the third main. Here A is equals to first term is equals to 1 by 3. And now we should find D. D is equals to A2 minus A1. Here A2 is equals to 5 by 3 and A1 is equals to 1 by 3 is equals to denominator are same 3 and 3. That's why we should take 5 minus 1 by 3. Here 5 minus 1 is equals to 4 by 3. D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is equals to 5 minus 1 by 3 is equals to 4 by 3. Now let us go to next sum, and in this sum we should find first term, which is the first term. A is equals to 0.6 and we should find D. A2 minus A1. A2 is equals to 1.7 minus 0.6. Now we should subtract it. 1.7 minus 0.6. 7 minus 6 is 1 and 1 minus 0 is 1 and point 1.1. Therefore D is 1.1. D is equals to 1.1. These sums are so easy. Next we should go to fourth sum. Which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the CD. Write 3 more terms. If they form an AP, we should find 3 more terms. Here A1 is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 4 and A3 is equals to 8. Sorry, I have written 9. A4 is equals to 16 and so on. and we should find D. It is CD. Common difference, we should find D. D is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is equals to 4. A2 minus A1. A2 is equals to 4. A1 is equals to 2. 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. And next we should find another difference, that is A3 minus A2. A3 is equals to 8. A3 is equals to 8. 8 minus 4. A2 is equals to 4. Minus 4 is equals to 4. D is equals to A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is equals to 16. A3 is equals to 8. 16 minus 8 is equals to 8. Here common difference are not same. It is 2, 4 and 8. If it is same, we would have gotten it 2, 2 and 2. Here common difference is not same. Next we should go to next sum. There are still more 3 sums to be solved in this session. Here A1 is equals to 2, A2 is equals to 5 by 2, A3 is equals to 3 and A4 is equals to 7 by 2 and so on. Here we should find the common difference. D is equals to A2 minus A1. D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to A2 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 2 is equals to 5 minus 4 by 2. 4 means 2 into 2 is equals to 4 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1 by 2. D is equals to A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is equals to 3 minus 5 by 2. A2 is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Here common differences are same. So we should find next 3 terms. Common difference is same. D is equals to 1 by 2 or half. And A5 is equals to, now we should find next 3 terms. A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A5 is equals to A4 plus D. In points to remember, I have shown you that formula. Okay. AN is equals to AN minus 1 plus D. A4 plus D is equals to 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 7 plus 1 by 2 is equals to, denominators are same, then 8 by 2. 7 plus 1, 8 by 2 is equals to 8 by 2 is equals to 4. 2 4s are 8. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 plus D is equals to, A5 is equals to 4 plus 1 by 2 and 4 is equals to 8 plus 1 by 2 because 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 by 2, 9 by 2. Now we should leave this as it is, 9 by 2. A7 is equals to A6 plus D is equals to 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 10 by 2 because denominators are same and 9 plus 1 is equals to 10 by 2. 10 by 2 nothing but 2 5s are 10. Here we have found that A5, A6 and A7. Now let us go to next sum. In this sum we should be careful because they have given alphabets, because A1 is equals to A and A2 is equals to A square and A3 is equals to A cube and A4 is equals to A to the power of 4 and so on. Here let us find D. D is equals to A2 minus A1 is equals to A square a square, because a2 is equals to a square minus a. Now let us take out the common. A is common and it will be only 1a minus 1, because a will be taken out. D is equals to a3 minus a2. a3 is equals to a cube, a2 is equals to a square is equals to, now let us take out the common. A square is common. If we take out a square from a cube, it will become only a minus 1. Now let us find another difference. a4 minus a3 is equals to, a4 is equals to a to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 3 is equals to, now let us take out the common. a3 is common and a minus 1. Now we should see that they are equal. They are not equal because common are a and a square. Now let us go to the next sum. This sum is a bit complicated. We should be careful in this sum also. Here a is equals to 3, a2 is equals to 3 plus root 2, a3 is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2, and a4 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Now let us find d. D is equals to a2 minus a is equals to 3 plus root 2 minus 3 is equals to minus 3. Minus 3 is equals to, here minus and 3 plus 3 and minus 3 are equal, so we are scratching it, is equals to, only 2 root 2 is left, 2 root 2. Now let us find another difference. D is equals to a3 minus a is equals to, a3 minus a2 is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. Here plus 3 and minus 3 are there. We should scratch it. Plus 3 and minus 3. Now we are left out with 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2. 2 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equals to root 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equals to root 2. Now let us find another difference. D is equals to a4 minus a3 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is equals to, here plus 3 and minus 3 are there, we should scratch it. 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, it is nothing but root 2 here. Now here common differences are same. CD is same. Root 2, root 2, root 2. CD is same. Therefore, D is equals to root 2. Now let us find another three terms. A5 is equals to A4 plus D. A5 is equals to A4 plus D is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. A4 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2 is equals to 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equals to 4 root 2. A6 is equals to A5 plus D. A5 plus D is equals to A3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2 is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. A7 is equals to A6 plus D is equals to 3 plus 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 is equals to 3 plus 6 root 2. 3 plus 6 root 2. 5 root 2 will become 6 root 2, 4 root 2 will become 5 root 2, 3 root 2 will become 4 root 2. So thank you friends for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and like it and share our video to everyone.